It was a slow start throughout the day, and we knew it would take a while for it to ramp up, and the forecast was for overnight Thursday and into Friday morning. I have brought those numbers down from what I was looking at yesterday because of that slow start, but this is just the first part. The snow that comes in tomorrow night is going to be quite a bit heavier, and I've got some interesting things to show you too here. It is snowing, and as Dan said, our heaviest snowfall of the night and the day happening right now, and you can see it here in downtown Portland, happening right there, where the temperature is down to 29. We're actually down to 27 downtown. Those east winds at 26. If you really want to see some snow, though, check this out. This is Timberline. It is absolutely dumping up on the mountain right now. Oh, that's good. If you can go ski tomorrow, and if you're thinking about it, it's going to take you longer to get there because the roads down here in the valleys are slower. But it's only 11 degrees up there. Actually, it's down to 9 degrees. This is the last hour observation. There's already been 6 inches new today. So the snow flying on the mountain. So we have this little band to the south. But what's getting us now is this other disturbance that came on down from the north, merging with the one from the south. So it's just a nice combination of those two things going on. The snow line has drifted south a bit, south of Canby, as we expected it would, but there's still icing happening in parts of the mid-valley, and that is going to be a real problem tomorrow night. So round 2 is tomorrow night. We'll get light snow overnight, another 1 to 2 inches by morning, so it should really be beautiful in the morning. The snow will taper off midday, but then heavy snow rolls in tomorrow night, and as I mentioned, significant icing likely in the mid-valley tomorrow evening and into Saturday morning. Now, that blizzard warning, I want to clear this up a little bit because that blizzard warning in the gorge is only for the western gorge. Catherine mentioned this, from Cascade Locks out to Troutdale. Hood River has never been under the blizzard warning. They are under a winter storm warning. And believe me, that's going to verify tomorrow as the snow picks up tomorrow night. This is the water vapor imagery. Super interesting because here's the main area of low pressure right there, moving on down to the south, okay? But we have the secondary one here. That's what's giving us the snow tonight. But I want to point this out. See the green in here? That's a lot of moisture. That's showing that we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. This first system didn't have that kind of green coloring to it. So the point is this. There's more moisture coming in with the second system. It's stronger. The cold air is already in place. That's going to give us a really decent snowfall tomorrow night. I'll show you the amounts in just a minute. First, this is how it plays out. Area low pressure along the coast moves out, and then tomorrow night, you see this next batch of rain moving in, but we still have the east wind. And what's interesting about this is this. Usually if we have low pressure to our north, we get a south wind, too warm for snow, but the pressure orientation is still going to be coming out of the gorge, the wind pattern out of the gorge, so we'll stay cold enough for snow, and we actually see a little bit of a small low pressure center form right around Portland, just south of us tomorrow night. That'll help to enhance the snowfall. Then it begins to taper off on Sunday, and then the third round that comes in Sunday night, that should be warm enough to bring us rain, but the east wind has a way of holding on, so we'll have to watch those temperatures Sunday night quite carefully, but we will transition back to valley rain sometime late Sunday or Monday. All right, the snowfall forecast from Friday night through Saturday morning. This is the European model showing us with 9 inches in Portland, 15 inches in Corbett. Now, other models are showing less. Still, other models are showing more. I think that's probably the high end. We may end up with, say, 6 inches or 4 inches, 4, 5, 6 inches, somewhere in there, but 9 inches is not out of the question. And look at Mount Hood with over 2 feet and Hood River with 14 inches. So again, a lot of this is going to come to fruition as we go through tomorrow night and into Saturday morning. So for Portland, the total 4 to 12 inches, I know that's a wide range, but parts of the area will see that much, and other parts are going to see a little bit less there. Up in the Cascades, 2 to 3 feet, and in the gorge, you're going to end up with 10 to 20 inches of snow by the time we roll into Saturday and Sunday. Then the icing in the mid-valley, we may see ½ an inch, and some of our guidance is actually showing an inch of ice in the coast range. Let's hope that does not happen. In Portland right now, it is snowing. It's 29 degrees. It's really quite beautiful outside. Don't drive if you can help it. 1 to 2 inches tonight, still some sleet south of town, and then the snow ramps up tomorrow night as we just discussed into Saturday. Sunday, we should get back above freezing. But this will be our coldest February weekend in a long time. Happy Valentine's Day. We'll be back right after this.